Actual other video be checking my slime. I know I love it.
Not like I have a mouth for a year. I licked it by accident.
Looking at checking all these slimes by order. If they need lotion, then I'm gonna go get some lotion. So yeah, let's check the pink one. It looks nice. So let's open it up. Whoa. Oh, it feels very cold. Oh, wow. I put lotion because I didn't want to do it during the video. Look at that swirl. I know it's not clear. I can still see beads. It's so pretty. I want to call this the princess slime. So there's pearls in it. And then this one's going to be cupcake slime. And this one's going to be, I don't know. If it's and I'll call it maybe, I don't know. Comment below what I should name the yellow slime. Feeling it, it's super soft. I love it. 10 out of 10. So cute. And that's how I did it for a while.
Why didn't you put none on the pink one?
Huh?
Why didn't you put no sprinkles on the pink one?
I put pearls, see?
Oh.
I put the sparkles on this one.
Hey, what you got?
Look how stretchy it is. Because I also put lotion on this one. Oops, sorry. It feels so good. I call this one cupcake slime because it looks so cute. But if it didn't have it, I'll call it sea beach slime. And how about this one? Wait. Big dots. No. Dunkin' Dots. My mommy. 1 second. Okay, I finally found it. I was talking about it with my mom. It's called, I'm going to name this one Dippin' Dots because it has dots on it and it's yellow. And it could be the banana Dippin' Dots. I'm going to call it Banana Dippin' Dots. And then this is going to be Sparkle Cupcake. And then this one's going to be, which was I going to call this one? I forgot, but I know that it's pink and pearls. I'm gonna call it, oh yeah, Princess. I'm gonna call it, this is Princess, Sparkles, and Dippin' Dots. This is a good name. Oh my god, this feels so good. With all of them. Alright. Now it's time to do the other one. Okay, there. We're done with these 2 slides. I time for this one. Sorry, I forgot to do the video I did yesterday. I might forget. Oh, this feels weird. slime. I have to call it as my favorite slime. It's stretchy and I love the foam. I put the whole foam in here. You think it needs more foam? You think? This feels. Do you guys think it needs more foam or do you think it's good already? Please watch my video. I know it's boring, but look at that. Dippin' Dot slime. And then a slip. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Alright, we expecting probably a couple hundred people and some model calls, so it's not gonna be out here though, okay? Talk to you? Alright. Thank you, love.
Since I officially opened up the Bailey Agency, I have been preparing a curriculum, and I'm having an open call to handpick a small group of students who have modeling potential.
I'm sure.
So good turnout. Hey guys, thank you so much for coming. We're gonna start, okay? You guys, really quickly, I'm looking for girls who I can go to a 6-week program with and actually place them with agencies in New York or LA. I put together a panel of judges to help me select my first modeling students. I'm only gonna accept students who I actually think can get me as a model. So if I can find
This is called Dippin' Dots, Mommy.
it's a little tricky sometimes, someone can come
Mommy, like Dippin'
in
Dots.
saying too much makeup.
I'm gonna write their names on it. Let me go take out my dog. I'm back. Guys, I'm gonna be naming these right now. It's something I'm gonna use.
Ahora para adentro, chicos, ¿cómo chingas? Se viene, ya vas.
Now I'm gonna go get a Sharpie and come right back so I can get them. Found a Sharpie, took me a while. I'm glad we didn't have one until I found one. Here it is. Now it's time to name all these. Let's name this one first. There you go. Princess. Princess line.
Pleasure, fun, relaxation, always. Let the modeling begin. This is Termaine with a T. What's going on? How are you? Okay, so ladies' night.
This one was called Cupcake Slide.
¿Otra vez?
Be seductive. Are you cool with that? Next thing is, can we see you with your shirt off?
Shirt off?
Yeah, you ain't come prepared for that.
Do that.
Please, a little shy.
I ain't got wrong with a little chest.
Okay. No, sir.
I mean, nobody's smaller than my 15-year-old son.
Cupcake Slide.
Can you shave the hair?
I never seen my chest. I thought
That's it for this one. Dippin' Dots.
So, I saved the best for last. Deshaun has a company and he has like quite a few guys that specialize in everything you ladies are looking for. So,
Oh,
This boy, this is Kevin, this is Moy, and this is Chris. They do shoulder massage, feet massage, they cater to your every need.
this is what I'm talking about. And can we package them up in boxes? Yeah, I'm ready. Don't do too good. Well, it's gonna be like,
This is just a
another one just killed me.
This is just a demo.
I relish in the beauty of the human body. Apollo knows that.
They need your feet as well.
my sister loves a foot massage. Wow.
Lord, we get a happy ending. Coming up next.
Sorry, guys. There you go, then. I hope I didn't drop myself because they could. So I got out every single one. So I called this one Dippin' Dots. Dippin' Dots. Dippin' Dots. Dippin' Dots. Slime. And hard then. Same thing for this one. And same thing for this one. Cupcake slime.
In this family, we don't fight over the bill. We just take care of it. Families never receive a bill from St. Jude for treatment, travel, housing, or food. Join our St. Jude family. We need you. Please donate now.
Cupcake slime.
Start your journey with Holland America for only $1.29 per day. Receive free document.
Princess Slime.
Or relax in the Caribbean. Start your journey with Holland America.
The right diaper for your wild child is the one you can't take off. Only Pampers Cruisers 360 has a stretchy waistband, so tummy bands can't take it off. That's 100% baby-proof fit. Pampers Cruisers 360, the baby-proof diaper. What's your holiday piece? With Popeyes Cook Soaking and Bundle Wrap. Soaking is a home cooked meal. This year, take a holiday from cooking with Popeyes Festive Family Box.
watching. Bye.
You're not even gonna post it.